Welcome to the safest introductional film on psychological safety. Yes, welcome indeed. Let's talk about psychological safety, the main criterion for the performance of teams. According to the original definition, it is psychologically safe when you, as an individual, may trust the group to deal constructively with your opinions, your ideas, doubts, or your concerns, and so on. To put it differently, in a psychologically totally safe team, everyone can switch perfectly and easily between two roles, only two roles, depending on the situation. It's all about space. Role A, you take the space for yourself. You're sharing your expertise, your opinion, saying things like, well, this is important for me. Sorry, I disagree. I have a new idea. I have a question. Could you help me? Etc. And then, if that's needed in this specific situation, easily switch to the other role. Role B. Giving space to others. Maybe in the same sentence, saying, well, this is what I think, but what do you think? How do you feel about this? May I help you? Or just say nothing and listen. Preferably without any judgment. Only these two things, switching between taking the space for yourself and give it to others. The point is, in stressful situations, we choose our favorite roles. Then we don't want to take risks and stay in the comfort zone and do what works. I stay in my A role. I need to take space and don't give it away, because otherwise, when I ask for other opinions, I lose control. That's not what I want. Or I stay in my B role. Make myself small, because it feels too risky here to be in the spotlight and share my opinion here and to ask my question here. No, not here. Okay. Next step. Ask yourself, and this is the question. Have you ever been in an A role? Took a lot of space, but thought afterwards, I really should have given others more space, more attention. I should have reacted differently on the doubt or resistance I saw or I felt. I should have given a bit more space to the specific person. Have you ever been in such a role? I think so. Have you ever been in a B role? Give a lot of space to others, but thought afterwards, I should have asked this question. I should have brought in my idea. I should have shared my opinion. Well, my critical opinion, yes. I didn't do it. Have you ever been in that role? I think so too. Have you ever been a third person and saw that A was nicely on the roll, but didn't realize that B also wanted to say something, and that in a C role you would have liked to do something about that, but did not? Have you ever been that third person? I think so too. Well done. You have just created for yourself 3 opportunities to make more space for yourself and the group next time. To contribute next time to more psychological safety. The only thing you have to do is to act next time differently and just see what happens. This is the only thing you have to do for your personal growth. A few tips at the end. First, how you may grow in giving space in your A role. Let go of control. Let go of judgment. Listen to learn. Try to be curious. Maybe it will not be easy, but it's an investment and it's going to pay off big time, really. Grow as a leader in connection with other people. Give them a chance. Give them space. Okay, second, how you may grow in taking a space. That is, let go of self-judgment. Speak your truth. Choose to be empowered. For instance, by finding support from others beforehand if you want to make an exciting point. Grow as a leader in connection with yourself. Give yourself a chance. Give yourself space. Well, maybe you may not want to change anything, and that's perfectly okay. But if you really want to grow as a person in connection with yourself and others. Please don't push yourself too hard. That's my advice. Don't leave the comfort zone too often. Personal growth is also about choosing your battles. I wish you all the luck. Go for it.
This was the safest introductional film on psychological safety.
Thank you.